Did you know? Just one lemon tree planted on your balcony can provide you with fresh lemons year-round. No need to go to the market, no need to buy chemical-laden lemons. Just a pot, a little patience, and the scent of lemons will reach your home. So, let's learn today. An easy way to plant a lemon tree on your balcony or in a pot. Choose the right plant. First, choosing the plant variety is crucial. If you want to plant it on your balcony, choose a smaller variety like Kagzi lemon or Meyer lemon. These grow well in pots and bear fruit quickly. Prepare the pot and soil. Now, let's talk about the pot. Choose a pot at least 16 to 18 inches deep with a drainage hole in the bottom. Prepare the soil. 40% garden soil, 30% compost, 20% sand, and 10% cocoa peat. This makes the soil light and perfect for the plant. Sunlight and water lemons love sunlight. Place them in a place that receives 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Water them sparingly every day, but be careful not to let water stagnate in the pot, as too much water can cause the roots to rot. Fertilizer and care. Fertilize them once every 20 days, such as cow dung manure, neem cake, or compost. If the flowers begin to fall, add a little potash. This promotes both flowering and fruit production. Also, spray neem oil every week to prevent pests. Fruit time. If you have a grafted plant, flowers will appear in 8 to 10 months, and fresh lemons will be ready in just 2 to 3 months after that. All it takes is a little care and a lot of love. So friends, now you too can enjoy freshness and health year-round by planting a lemon tree on your balcony or terrace. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Which plant do you want to plant next in your home?